Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change font size on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing you have to do is, please open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here please scroll a little bit and then you can select display menu. Well, and then to change font size on your device, here you can scroll down and then you can choose text size. Okay, and then here you can use the slider here to set the font size suitable for you. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change font size on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.